Hey there, who's ready to make some fresh squeezed green juice with me? My name is Deborah C. Smith and I'm a holistic health coach. And today I'm gonna make a simple green juice recipe that anyone can make at home. Ingredients that we're working with today: spinach. As you can see, it's really gorgeous, dark green. I've got a bunch of Fuji apples. Here, I'll tilt my screen down so you can see my veg. Got some ginger that I chopped up into small chunks. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 5 small little oranges that I got on sale at the grocery store. Randomly, a couple of strawberries kicking around in here. I'll pop those in. And then I've got celery and cucumbers already peeled. So the reason why I'm making fresh green juice, because I want to feed my cells living enzyme, bright, vibrant foods without the wear and tear on my digestive system. So I'm aiming to get about 32 to 64 ounces out of all of this produce, and I'm gonna use it as a start of the day cleanse for the next couple of days. I recommend drinking a fresh green juice or a green smoothie every single day to help your digestion and to help cleanse out toxins that get stuck in the system. It's really simple and easy way to boost your energy, reduce risk of chronic illness in your body. It'll help you naturally lose weight. You'll have more energy. You'll have cleaner skin, brighter eyes. You'll get better sleep at night. So make yourself a green juice. Here we go. And now for the moment of truth. So good. Oh my God. So there you have it, friends. A very simple way to boost your energy, support your health, support your immune system, cleanse your digestive system, and it tastes delicious. It's so rich and kind of creamy and it just feels like liquid gold. It's amazing. So I hope you try this recipe.